This is Doc Mays on leadership. It's important for people to understand that love and hate is such closely interrelated emotion. Love and hate are natural responses from one person to a next. There's indifference where somebody could actually care less, and believe it or not, many people are just indifferent to the things that you're doing, and that's important for you, sitting there thinking about if you should, can you, or maybe not. Indifference. A lot of people could care less because they're concerned about themselves. So let's take a third of those people, let's take a third of the total population out of it. They could care less what you do, and it's much bigger population. So let's just go, let's give a bell-shaped curve, and let's take 85% of the people and put them out. So now you only have 15% of the people, and that's 7.5. Let's throw another set of those people out. So now you only have 2.5 and 2.5 just at the margins. Those are the people that probably care enough to love what you're doing, dislike what you're doing, or to hate what you're doing. If you persist, you will generate momentum. If you generate momentum, you've gone from an object, from a person who's gone from being paralyzed with procrastination and fear to now somebody of action. We don't often look at parked cars, but we look at cars driving down the street because they create motion. They go against friction. They move. And so you will generate people who dislike your movement. They will make it personal. They will say something about you. They will try to identify a flaw in your character. But what it is that it actually is admiration. It is respect. It is love. But what the hate is that they haven't had the courage to demonstrate that in themselves. And it comes out, the self-hate. So you hear some of it. So when you hear people hate, when you hear people criticize you, and it's not necessarily warranted criticism, and it's not warranted hate or dislike, you have to understand that those people are upset with themselves. And so the words that we speak, we're the first to hear. So therefore, the self-talk that they're giving themselves is much worse than what they're giving you. So just remember, don't stoop down to their level, because once you come down from that ladder, they will pull you down and beat you with experience, because that's not your level, and that's not your skill set, and that's not a part of your vision. So don't let them or it, the distraction, take you away from that vision that you start with, that idea that you've worked so hard, that you developed the courage to go after. That's for you. And don't let anybody, hater or pretend lover, distract you from that. Go get it. This is Dr. Mays on leadership. It's been my pleasure. Y'all stay strong.